Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Do you like to eat fish?
Yes, I like to eat fish. It's my favorite dish. When I was a child, my mother, it's cooked once a time in a month.
Okay. Do you like to keep fish at home as a pet?
No, I don't like any pet animal or a fish in my
Why
home.
not?
Because I like to eat, but I don't like to keep in
Keep
my
it as a pet. Okay, just try to come up with some reason. And your answer should have 4 5 sentences at least in part 1. All right. Okay, let's go on. Why do some people keep colorful fish at home?
Uh, I think mostly people like the colorful fishes for as a decoration, or they like most pet animals or fishes. That's why they keep in the home.
All right. Do you prefer to eat fish in the morning or at night?
I prefer to eat the fish in the night, especially in the winter days.
Why?
Uh, why? Because it is a healthy food in a winter days.
Hmm. All right. So your answers are extremely short. If you give short answers, examiner will ask you more questions. And your answers contain less explanation. So there should be a little explanation, then it'll be fine. Now we move on to speaking part 2. This is your topic, and you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Here you go. Yes, please, you can start.
I would like to talk about my achievement task in which I face many difficulties. When I was in a school, my school management team organized an environmental seminar and invited the NGO team. My school principal selected a few students for a speech, and I was selected from ninth class for a speech. Firstly, I feel very depressed because I don't know how to prepare the speech, but my teacher did help me to prepare the speech. When uh, firstly I discuss in the speech the main causes that is destroy the environment, and then I discuss the solution that is helpful to prevent the environment. This task is very difficult for me because I feel very hesitate in the public place because of the low confidence.
Okay, thank you. Can I get the topic, please? So, mainly it's grammar, and you're mixing present and past tenses. I mean, your cue card was in the past tense, so try to use only past. Now, let's go on. What type of things do you often find difficult?
Can you speak?
What type of things do you often find difficult?
Uh, when I do something in a public place, this is a very difficult task for me
Why?
because I live alone most of the time, and that's why.
All right. So, how do you face challenges in life?
Mm, I face the challenges. It's very difficult for me, but after first I feel very hesitant, but I do it very perfectly way.
Okay, you need to work very hard with your speaking because you are lacking proper content. You are lacking ideas. So you need to come up with more ideas, then you'll be fine. Okay? Thank you so much.